Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing us from class 3 TRPLA. My name is Muhammad Ramadan.
And my name is Ova Ariandri,
Here we will simulate the job interview process where I Muhammad Ramadan as the interviewer.
and I, Ova Ariandri, as the applicant. All right,
Alright,
let's
let's
get
get
started.
started. Here we will simulate the interview process at one of the largest e-commerce companies in Indonesia, namely Tokopedia. Tokopedia, Indonesia leading technology company with a big mission to drive economic equity digitally. We empower millions of MSMEs and consumers across the archipelago, creating real social impact through technology innovation. With massive scale, we continue to invest in resilient distributed system and a world-class team of engineers to tackle exciting scalability challenge.
Okay, in this simulation, Tokopedia is opening a job vacancy for software engineering, and the requirements are as follows. One, bachelor degree in computer science, informatic engineering, or related field. Two, have 1 or 2 years of experience. Fresh graduate is welcome. Three, mastering Golang or Java programming language. Four, understand authentication and database SQL and NoSQL. Five, basic understanding of microservice, API gateway, load balancer, and message queue. Six, problem solving, and seven, adaptability and collaboration. Is salary monthly salary is 10 15 million rupiah. Submit your CV and portfolio through or career portal at www.requirement bersama tokopedia.com.
Okay, good morning, Ova Adiandri. My name is Muhammad Ramadan, senior engineer at Tokopedia. Okay, let's start. Tell me a bit about yourself.
Okay, good morning,
Your
Sir Muhammad Hilal.
relevant
My name is Ova
experience
Ariandri,
and why you are interested
a
in this
recent
software.
graduate from the Bangka Belitung State Polytechnic of Manufacturing. I focus on back-end development, is language programming Go or Java, Golang or Java, and work on an API for user authentication at PT Solusi Digital Inovatif, where I improve response time by 15%. I'm drawn to Tokopedia, impact and technical skill, eager to contribute and learn in such a dynamic environment.
Okay, good. SQL and NoSQL, main difference and when to use which for e-commerce.
Okay, sir. SQL is for consistent, transactional data like order, ensuring asset properties, and NoSQL is for flexible, scalable data like review, offering horizontal scalability. Use SQL for core transaction and use NoSQL for high volume, less rigid data.
Okay, clear. Describe a user checkout flow on Tokopedia, naming key system component.
Okay, sir. From app or web, request goes to API gateway or load balancer. Then route to microservice, order, payment, and inventory. They communicate using message queues, interacting with database and gets response return all for scalability.
Okay, good. Next, tell me about debugging legacy code, your approach.
Debugging legacy code, I debugged at critical payment bug by reproducing it, then using logging or debuggers to isolate the problem. I also consulted seniors, results successful, fix and new unit tests.
Okay, thank focus on customer and make it happen. Example of you applying this.
Kaiser, in a project, we did user interviews to focus on customer. Based on feedback, we quickly iterate the UI UX, making it happen. Result better user engagement.
A great example. Lastly, how do you handle criticism in code reviews? How do you improve team code quality?
Okay, sir. I welcome feedback, clarify, and implement change. For quality, I write clean code, follow standard, and actively participate in review, and advocate for automate testing.
Okay, thanks, Ovari Andri. Any question for us?
Okay, sir, I have one question. What are the biggest technical challenge your team face now in scalability? And what growth opportunities exist for a junior software engineer here?
Okay, excellent question. Currently, our team is optimizing our search algorithm for better performance at high traffic. For junior engineer, we have a structured mentorship program and a regular internal tech talk. Thanks for your time. We'll be in touch.
Okay, thank you for time, Mr. Hilal Ramadan. I look forward to hearing from you.
Okay, that's all the simulation of the interview process from us. Of course, there are still many shortcomings. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.